Explain the cardiac conduction system. The cardiac conduction system is a network of specialized cells within the heart that coordinates the heartbeat, ensuring the heart contracts in a smooth, organized way. This system is responsible for generating and transmitting the electrical impulses that trigger each heartbeat. The process begins with a sinoatrial node, or SA node, located in the upper wall of the right atrium. The SA node acts as the heart's natural pacemaker. It spontaneously generates electrical signals at regular intervals, setting the pace for the heart rate. These impulses quickly spread through the atria, causing them to contract and push blood into the ventricles. The electrical signal then reaches the atrioventricular node, or AV node, located at the junction between the atria and ventricles. The AV node briefly delays the signal, allowing the ventricles time to fill with blood before they contract. From the AV node, the impulse travels down the bundle of His, or AV bundle, a group of specialized fibers in the interventricular septum. The bundle of His divides into right and left bundle branches, which carry the impulse down each side of the interventricular septum toward the apex of the heart. Finally, the electrical signal spreads through the Purkinje fibers, which branch through the walls of the ventricles. This causes the ventricles to contract nearly simultaneously, pumping blood out to the lungs and the rest of the body. Here is a summary of the cardiac conduction system, which begins with the sinoatrial, or SA node, which is the heart's natural pacemaker. The SA node generates an electrical impulse that spreads through the atria, causing them to contract. The impulse then reaches the atrioventricular, or AV node, where it slows briefly to allow the ventricles to fill with blood. From the AV node, the signal travels rapidly down the bundle of His and then through the right and left bundle branches toward the apex of the heart. Finally, the impulse spreads through the Purkinje fibers, triggering a strong, coordinated contraction of the ventricles. A properly functioning conduction system is essential for maintaining a normal heart rhythm and effective pumping action. Disruptions in this system, such as blockages in the pathway or abnormal impulse generation, can lead to abnormal heart rhythms, known as arrhythmias, which may require medical intervention. The electrical activity produced by this conduction system is what is recorded by an electrocardiogram, or ECG or EKG. This makes the conduction system not only vital for heart function, but also central to clinical assessment and diagnosis.